Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable AWS security audit tools with GuardDuty detailed guide step by step clearly. Log into your AWS management console. Navigate to the services menu. Select GuardDuty from the list of available services. If this is your first time using GuardDuty, you'll see an introduction page. Click on the Get Started button to begin the setup process. You will then be prompted to enable GuardDuty for your AWS account. Click on the Enable GuardDuty button to activate the service. Once enabled, GuardDuty begins analyzing your environment. Next, navigate to the Settings section within the GuardDuty dashboard. Here, you can customize your detection settings for specific needs. Consider enabling continuous monitoring to ensure real-time threat detection. Review the options for data sources to ensure they align with your security goals. Ensure that S3 protection is activated to monitor for malicious activity in your storage buckets. Check if EKS protection is enabled, especially if you're running Kubernetes clusters. After configuring your settings, click on Save Changes to apply them. Now, return to the main GuardDuty dashboard. Take a moment to review the Findings section. This section lists all potential security threats GuardDuty has detected. You can filter findings based on severity levels to prioritize your response. Integrate GuardDuty findings with AWS Security Hub for centralized management. To do this, navigate to AWS Security Hub in the Services menu. Follow the prompts to link GuardDuty with Security Hub. For notifications, set up Amazon SNS or CloudWatch alarms for proactive alerts. Lastly, regularly check GuardDuty's dashboard and findings to stay informed. This concludes the detailed guide on enabling AWS security audit tools with GuardDuty. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.